Hey now, Marcus Boyd, Multiply Marketing. Look, I know you've been seeing me all over Facebook. You've been hearing people talk about how many customers we're bringing them, how beautiful our websites are being built, and how we're ranking them in the top of the search engine so that more customers can find them so that they can make more sales and make more money, right? Well, I'm here to tell you all that is true. Check the client testimonials if you don't believe me. But anyway, for some reason, me and you hadn't got a chance to talk about it to see if it's a fit for you. Whatever that reason may be, maybe it's, oh, I'm not motivated, we're not looking to grow, we're not looking to scale, we're not looking to make more money, and all that's fine. But maybe you're seeing, oh, these free trials, right? They seem too good to be true. Strings got to be attached, right? Something like that. Well, that's not the case at all. We're here to help for sure. I've been in your shoes. I'm still in your shoes. The service works great for my personal businesses, right? And so we're here to help you grow. I don't know why me and you haven't got a chance to talk, but if you want to chat with me, see if it is a fit for your business, see if we can help you grow and make more money, click the link in the description. I'm going to drop it right here and we'll hop on a call. Look forward to talking to you.